What's up guys, it's Matt Collins-Jones here, also known as the D365 Geek, and today we are talking about Power Automate and OneDrive for Business, and we're going to look at the action which is create share link by path. Now if you watched my previous video on create share link, or if you've watched any of my other videos of creating things by path, this is basically building those two things together. It's the ability to create a share link by passing in the path of a file directly from Power Automate into it, and it's the OneDrive for Business path, not the sort of friendly path. So we'll take a look at that. I'll show you what I mean, and let's just get into it. So I'm in Power Automate here. I'm in a flow, and I have a trigger here, which is when a file is modified, and this is going to run on this folder here. So I have a folder in my OneDrive for Business called Power Automate. We're also not going to include any subfolders. Then I'm going to click on New Step. Then I'll search for OneDrive for Business, and we choose the connector here. Then we can scroll down until we get Create Share Link by Path. Now here it's asking me for a couple of things. So it's asking me for the file path first. So I do have this option to create this, to use this picker and show and create a thing this way. To do that. But what I can also do is I can put in the file path from the dynamic content here. This isn't something you can do with the other action. The other action will require that full sort of / path. This allows me to just say it's this path and this is what I want to do. So next we're going to choose the link type. So the link type can be view, edit, or direct. So this is the access that you're giving someone via this link. So you're telling them whether you can only view the file or the document or the image or whatever it is you're trying to share with them, whether you can edit it, or whether it's a direct link. So direct means that you're giving direct access to someone via an email or via a login to directly edit and update this document. So in this instance, I'm just going to choose view. And then we need to choose the link scope. So it defaults to anonymous, but you can choose anonymous or organization. So anonymous means anyone with this link can access this content in this sort of and via this link type. So anyone on this link could view this document, or could view this image, or can view this spreadsheet. Or you know, if you change the link type to edit, then anyone with this link could then edit that document. They don't need to be logged into anything. They will just be allowed straight in. Organization means that you need to be logged into your organization, so your tenant, to be able to access this document via this link. So if you work for a business and someone shares a document with you, if you sign into your OneDrive for Business and you click on this link and you get access to that, then it'll let you in. If you work for the business but you're not signed in, it won't let you in. Or you sign into a different account, it just doesn't let you in. So in this instance, I'm going to choose organization, and then we'll test it. So we'll click on test. I'll perform the trigger action, and I'm just going to open one of the files. Now, as soon as I open it, it's going to save, so it's going to get modified, and then the flow will run. So we see saved, and we can see the OneDrive for Business flow run there. So when I was talking about the path before, if I expand the when a file is modified, this is the file path. So this string here. So it doesn't necessarily have like the path that we're used to seeing, sort of like, you know, / Power Automate / you know, whatever. This is actually this file path. But as we've put that in, what OneDrive for Business does with this action is it converts this into this, where it actually puts this data in at the front of it, and it kind of figures out where this is supposed to be. And it gives you that whole, and it kind of works out the whole path and the document. So that's really, really cool, and allows you to use it this way, so that's great. And we can see that the output here is we've got a web URL that I could put in an email, put in a group chat, send a message, send a notification. Excuse me. I can do anything with this link now, and then whoever has this link, if they're part of my organization, can then view the document, because I chose organization as the link scope. So this allows you to easily and programmatically send sharing links to people either in your organization or anonymously for their anonymous access, so they can edit the document, view the document, have access to this document and look at it and stuff like that. Not just document, but file, image, spreadsheet, PowerPoint, whatever you like. So this is really cool because sometimes you may need to use your OneDrive for Business for specific things. So for instance, Dynamics 365 supports OneDrive for Business file storage as well as SharePoint file storage. The SharePoint being something that is more akin to everyone in your organization can access this document, whereas OneDrive for Business being more personal, where you may need to store some sensitive information, or you may just be storing your own your own files against the customer there. You can use something like this to then share those links out and share that access out to other members of your team and other people that you work with inside the business without it necessarily being given access to everyone inside that business. So yeah, there's loads of fantastic stuff you can do with this, but as always, I'd like to know what you guys are using this for. Let me know in the comments down below, or you can check me on any of the social medias, Twitter, LinkedIn, anything. Check the last slide for all my details there. If you like this video, if you could like and share it with your friends, that would be much appreciated. If you've not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.